Hey guys, I'm Mithun, and in this YouTube tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a high quality screen recording using Snagit software. Snagit software is a software that is actually built by Techsmith website, and if you go to Techsmith you will see that it is available for download as a free trial. But if you want to use all the features and you want to keep using the software, you will have to upgrade to an expensive plan. This is why I prefer Pepocloud, because Pepocloud doesn't have this limitation. Once you subscribe to their affordable monthly plan, you will have access to all the bells and whistles that you need to generate high quality screen recording that can easily be shared in a corporate environment and even with your friends and colleagues in schools. So that's why I prefer Pepocloud over Snagit for screen recording. But since this tutorial is going to talk about Snagit's capability of high quality screen recording, I'm just going to move forward and show you how that's done in Snagit. After the installation, you can just click on the Snagit icon that's actually installed in your computer, and Snagit will launch this particular window. All you have to do in order to record your screen is to select the option called video that's available in the bottom left hand side of this panel, and in the selection area make sure to select whatever option suits you the best. In some recordings you may want to keep the selection as the region. In some recordings you may want to record the entire. I'm gonna record the entire screen because that's the best way to do it, especially when you're creating a screen recording for the window, or you're showing a demo of your software to your colleagues. So I'm just gonna select this region option. Now I don't want to share it right away, so I'm just gonna uh, keep the option as none. I don't have any webcams available right now, so I'm not going to enable this option. But if you are creating video narrated tutorials, then I would recommend you use a webcam, because otherwise you'll have to use a camera, and that setup is a lot more painful than anything else in this software. I'm not going to activate it because I don't have a webcam right now. And then there is preview in editor. I'm going to enable it because after the recording is completed, Snagit will actually open Snagit Editor, and in that editor you will be able to tweak a lot of things just to make sure that the recorded screen share is actually great. You can easily share it with your colleagues and your office staff. After that, there is capture cursor. I don't mind keeping it on because it actually captures the cursor on your window, and that's more helpful for people to understand what's happening in the browser window or in your desktop window or on your computer window. So I'm gonna keep it checked. This is the record microphone option. I have kept it off because I'm just using it to create this YouTube tutorial. But if you are somebody who actually has audio narration and you are actually creating some tutorial, I'll strongly recommend you to use this option instead of disabling it completely. I usually keep the record system audio option checked because sometimes when you install a software or you create something, usually Windows or other programs generate some audio. So in order to capture that audio, you need to keep this option checked. So now that everything else is configured, I'm going to click on this capture button to start the recording. As you can see, as soon as I clicked on the start recording option, it has actually shown me a sort of a crossbar that I've used to select a perimeter that I'm gonna use to decide which area to record and which to not. So I'm not gonna record the entire screen because it might take a lot of space and I don't want to do that. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's just record this section of the screen and press the record icon. As you can see, when I hover over this icon, the software is letting me know that there is a hotkey for record, which is Shift plus F9. So if I don't want to use mic that often, I can also use Shift F9 to start recording. So I'm going to click on this Shift F9 button, or the click on this icon to start recording. Now within 3 seconds the recording will start, and I can do whatever I want on the screen and it will be recorded by Snagit in the background. And that's it. For this tutorial sake, I'm not gonna record a 50-minute long video on this. I'm just gonna keep it till 20 seconds, and that's pretty much it. But before I actually stop it, I just wanted to walk you through all the features that are available in this small panel over here. I like to call this as a control panel for Snagit because this is where you can actually disrupt the ongoing recording and pause it or stop it depending on your need. And there are other options that lets you redo the recording if you are not satisfied with the one that you had already recorded, or just minimize this tray, or just close or cancel this recording completely. I'm gonna stop the recording now, and as soon as the recording is stopped, you can see that it has actually loaded the recording in the Snagit editor. Now all I have to do is check if I want to omit or edit out something that's not needed in this tutorial. There is no movement after this point, so I'm gonna just delete everything after this, because this is not a tutorial or anything, so I don't have to worry about that. All of that is deleted. Now we have a pretty high quality recording at hand. All I have to do is just click on this share button over here and click on this file icon. As soon as I click on that, it will actually show me an option to name the file. So I'm going to just name it as recording and click on save. Now the recording has been saved in the background, and all I have to do is go to my desktop to see the recording, and here it is. As you can see, the recording is undoubtedly of higher quality, and I am pretty happy with this recording. So I'm just going to close it. And so the final verdict of this video is that I actually personally use Pepocloud to record all my screen related tasks, because when you compare it with Snagit and many other softwares in this segment, Pepocloud has a lot more features and a lot more editing tools as compared to Snagit. As you've seen in this tutorial, Snagit doesn't offer any editing tool other than just cutting and deleting certain clips from your entire recording. So I think that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you have any doubts, please drop your comments in the comment section, and like this video and share it with your friends to spread the word. If you want to receive further updates similar to this one, please forget not to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care and bye.